Lights, camera, action.
Hello everyone and welcome to Showreel Talkies produced by Showreel Media. Our gifting partners are Pastel and Pastel, Picasso Perry Pen, Century Optics and Gift Zone. So for our today's interview, our guest is an amazing singer who has been trained under a very famous Bollywood composer, Mr. Leslie Lewis. She has worked with amazing personalities like Hariharan, Shankar Mahadevan, Asha Bhosle, etc. She is coming up with her very own original very soon. So please welcome Kavya Jones.
Hello.
Hello Kavya, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm completely fine. First of all, thank you so much for being with us. I'm so excited to have a lot of conversations with you. And without wasting a lot of time, I would want to start the interview with a very simple question. Where did the journey of Kavya, the singer, start and how?
Right. So the journey of Kavya, the singer, has started very much since the time I think I was born. I popped out of my mom's womb and I knew that I used to sing tunes, I used to hum tunes all the time. And मेरा background has been filled with a lot of music. मेरे daddy एक singer है and he used to perform on stage. He's done a couple of movies. So his name is Jinesh Vaidya. He's my first guru. So I think the introduction and exposure to music started with him. He's my inspiration, all-time inspiration. Yes, it's in my blood. And that's about it. मुझे पता नहीं था कि शायद से हम जब छोटे होते हैं we want to do a lot of other things. मेरे दिमाग में एक set clear एक picture था that I just wanted to become a singer. एक artist बनना था. उसकी बहुत चाह थी. I did everything possible to go for it, towards it, run after it. So that's my journey. It started when I was 5. I started learning music when I was 5.
Oh.
My first, like I said, my first guru was my dad. Then I learned Hindustani Shastriya Sangeet, Hindustani classical music from Dr. Meenakshi Biswas. She's been my guru for a very, very long time. And कहते हैं ना कि एक आर्टिस्ट में भूख हर चीज़ की होती है. उनको जैसे संगीत में कितने सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती है. मुझे सिर्फ सीखना था जब मैं छोटी थी. तो मैंने मेरे डैडी को एक दिन कहा था कि मैं बहुत बोर हो जाती हूँ. वो नीचे बैठ के सारे गामा मुझसे होता नहीं है. So I wanted to learn Western music. So I journeyed into learning Western music. I learned Western classical, opera music for everybody who don't know Western classical as well. I think opera is a more familiar term. I learned Western classical music from very many teachers, and I was a part of an internationally acclaimed choir called Stopgaps. So my journey has been filled with music. Started when I was 5, like I said, and it's still continuing.
You told us that how it went and how it started, and it was in your blood, and the hard work and everything has always paid off. What was that one day or one phase in your life where you felt that what if it doesn't? Obviously there are fears. What if it doesn't work out? What if someday you felt, is this really what I want to do?
Yeah.
Anything. These were just an example. One phase which was bad related to singing.
There have been a lot of phases, Tirtha. There have been too many phases in my life that I at a very young age, I feel at a very, very young age when I felt that why me? Why is it happening to me? Why am I not good enough? Am I self-doubting? I didn't have too much self-confidence. क्योंकि मैंने जब कहा था कि जब मैं मिठी बाई में थी, मैं थोड़ा मेरा क्लैरिटी वेग हो गया था. मैं समझ ही नहीं पा रही थी कि मुझे कहाँ जाना है. तो वहाँ पे भी डर लगता था. And so like I said, मेरी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ. It's happened a lot of times where I doubted myself. I felt that नहीं यार, क्यों? Why have I chosen to sing? Because as an artist, you live an unpredictable life. Totally unpredictable. You don't know when you wake up in the morning, will you have work or no? And I'll tell you one thing very, very openly. You can run behind the art as much as you want to. But when you have responsibilities behind your back and you know that kind of profession doesn't give you that, to fulfill those responsibilities, it doesn't give you the means to do that. It scares the hell out of you. insecurities are one place,
You've been
but
through
the
that.
other things are scary. And I'll tell you today one thing. I'm blessed that I come with a background of my father. From a family that I might say is pretty much settled. Okay, I have a good backup.
Okay.
My heart goes out to those artists who don't come from that background, who leave their houses and come here. You know what I'm saying? They have so many responsibilities on their back. तो वो लोग आर्ट को सोचे या वो लोग कमर्शियलिटी को सोचे? वो लोग वो झगड़ों में उलझ जाते हैं. वो घुटते रहते हैं. एंड ये सिर्फ सिंगर की कहानी नहीं है, ये सबकी कहानी है एक्चुअली. बट जब आप एक 9 to 5 जॉब में हो, आपको पता है कि यहाँ से एक मुझे कोई सिक्योरिटी है. अनप्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी लोग ज्यादा झेल नहीं पाते और हम आर्टिस्ट उसके साथ पैदा हुए.
So my next question was that every morning you wake up as Kavya Jones, the singer, the artist. Is it difficult for you to still till date choose singing or your passion or your career over everything else?
No, it's
or
not.
It's now.
It's not.
completely
It has
fine?
never been.
Oh, it has never.
It
been.
has never been. I'll give you a brief example of the fact that I right now choose my art over everything. That includes my family as well. Doesn't mean that I love them less, but that's my priority. Which means, which we will talk about when I was happening to release my album, record my album. I wanted to live my album. I wanted to live every moment of it. So I decided that living at home, because there's too much of, you have your mom, you have your dad, there are distractions. There are going to be some sort of distractions. And due to the lockdown, you all are together. So all the more. So I did step out for a couple of months and with all my support of my family, I gave full credit to my parents to make me the person I am. Because if they would not have supported me, would not have given me the wings to fly, I don't think so I would be sitting here and even speaking to you. Because I would not have anything to speak about. So I'm just saying that, I did prioritize my music, my art. I locked myself, I locked everything out. I said, I want to live my album. I want to live my songs. So, you can say I have chosen music and art over everything.
And you've never
else.
regretted it?
No, not one single day.
Fair enough. Fair enough. So, coming to artists, everyone has a specific perspective towards an artist or
Sure.
what an artist is. Would like to know yours.
Well, I just consider that artists are God's children. To be an artist, it's a blessing, and to achieve anything, you need some sort of discipline. I think artists are also very, very disciplined people. In my Hindustani classical music, it is called करने की विद्या. जितना आप करेंगे, उतना आप आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो मुझे लगता है that an artist, yes, are God's children. They are very disciplined people. They lead a life of unpredictability, uncertainty, but they still have the passion and the drive always towards their art first, and they keep their art at priority than anything else in the world.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Right.
So Kavya, as you said that your dad is your first guru, so I am assuming there's a second guru as well. So why don't you tell us more about him or her?
Your assumption is right. There is one more. I always feel that an artist, to have a guru in their life, to have a guiding force in their life, it really, really helps them. I was blessed to have two. People, एक भी नसीब नहीं होता है कभी-कभी. मेरे पास तो दो हैं. So 3 years back, I joined the band of Mr. Leslie Lewis. For all of those who don't know who he is, he was the father of indie pop in the 90s. He introduced indie pop in the 90s with songs like Yaro Dosti, Pal, Janam Samjha Karo. Then he introduced Bollywood remixes with Asha Bhosle ji. So I can go on and on about his accolades and his achievements, but this is about his relationship with me. I joined his band as a co-vocalist, as a singer, and that relationship of just being a singer in his band turned into his one and only student. He's never taught anybody else before me. So I'm his only student, his only protege, and his only student again who will take his legacy forward.
Is he proud of you, or is he proud enough of you?
Yes, I think he is. Because Leslie sir always tells me one thing, that you need to have a lot of self-belief. And that is somewhere your pride. And I think because I'm honing the art of having self-belief, I think he's proud of me. Because singing तो अब सब कर लेते हैं,
हाँ.
but
There
वो
are a lot of
but वो
other things.
इंसान बनने के लिए भी
Right.
he's proud of me for the person I'm becoming.
Hmm. Do you think your hard work and your passion has paid off yet?
It's an unending story. I can never put a full stop on that.
So-
Till now, whatever hard work and passion I've put, yes, it has paid off. That's why I'm sitting here and speaking to you.
Right.
I'm having the privilege of getting up every day in the morning and do what I really love. That is singing.
That is
But
something.
hard work, passion, dedication is an ongoing journey. It never stops. There's no full stop. I will sing till my last breath.
There's some passion from you.
Yes.
This whole COVID lockdown situation that has happened, every artist who used to perform on stage, they've lost confidence,
Yes.
they've lost a lot of audience, a lot of things that happened.
Yes.
How did you cope up with that? How did you manage to still thrive?
Before the lockdown, I was a full-time professional artist. I performed with very many artists, including Leslie Sir, Siddharth Mahadevan, Swaroop Khan, Hariharan Ji. I performed with everybody, the who's and who's of Bollywood. I was traveling a lot. My second home was an aeroplane. I was always jumping and hopping off flights, traveling abroad, living in that time zone, coming back to India, then going for another gig. I've done all of that. Jab COVID hua, a month before I was in Abu Dhabi. And then lockdown happened because I was performing in Abu Dhabi. Lockdown happened, things stopped. And ruk sa gaya, sab kuch. Everything was a full stop. Very tough. Very, very difficult. It was so tough because एक addiction हो गया था to meet your fans, to have the adrenaline that, oh, I have to go on stage, I have to perform, oh my god,
Yeah.
सब कुछ रुक गया. There's nothing. And for us, stage is our second home. We thrive on stage. All artists thrive to perform. अब वही किसी ने रोक दिया, COVID ने रोक दिया, virus ने रोक दिया, can't do anything. It was very tough. Not just on me, but a lot of my artist community friends. It was very, very tough.
Looking at you and the way you've spoken, you're someone who won't stop work just because of any virus or any COVID.
Yeah.
So, what else did you do? I'm pretty sure work didn't stop. So,
Right.
what other ways you found out? for
Right.
that?
So, I got a very interesting project in my hand because of COVID. Sorry to say that, but it was interesting because all the artist community came together.
Correct.
And like you said before in your questions, that music is a big stress buster for a lot of people, and we were all in sheer stress. So all artists, I got an opportunity to collaborate with the biggest names in Bollywood for a project which was called the Corona Anthem, called Ek India.
Right.
And I collaborated with Shreya ji, Bappi Lahiri ji, Benny Dayal, Bhumi Trivedi, Shilpa Rao, etc., etc., etc. And from our remote zones, we got together this song and we released it. It was flashed on all the news channels. It was during the first lockdown. So that was an interesting thing. And जब मैंने एक इंडिया गाया, पता नहीं, it was like एक भूख थी मेरे अंदर कि यार this is interesting. हमेशा फिल्म के गाने सुने हैं, हमेशा ये ओरिजिनल कंटेंट जो बोलते हैं like a singer songwriter, ये क्या है? I wanted to dig in. So I had the privilege of collaborating with my mentor again, and that was the first album in 3 years. I must tell you, he thought I was worthy enough to sing his songs. So he created an album called Kavya Jones. It has 3 songs, Aaja Meri Baahon Mein, Behek Gayi Main, and Teri Aankhein Sexy Sexy. So these songs were, like I said, was created by. आज आप कहेंगे कि अगर मुझे फिल्म सॉन्ग गाना है तो आई लव टू गो टू रहमान सर और संजय लीला भंसाली के प्रोडक्शन के अंदर. जब आपको इंडिपेंडेंट सॉन्ग गाना है जो नॉन फिल्म म्यूजिक है, द नेम इज लेस्ली लुइस. सो आई गॉट द प्रिविलेज टू बी सिंगिंग फॉर हिज कॉम्पोजिशंस.
So, he used to write songs for you, or he used to completely compose or do everything?
He wrote songs, composed, wrote, produced, and directed me.
You might have felt so lucky out of
Yes,
that.
I was one of the few blessed artists to have been singing his compositions.
So, the songs are Aaja Meri Baahon Mein, which is the recent one.
Aaja Meri Baahon Mein is one of the recent ones.
Recent one.
Yeah, one of the recent ones.
Tell us any experience out of any of these 3 songs. Maybe the embarrassing one or the most exciting ones, or Or how was the experience to be in front of the camera? I'm assuming it was your first time or
Yeah, it was my first music video.
first music
Yeah,
video.
yeah.
Was it nervous or what?
Oh, I was hell nervous, very
Tell us
scared.
about that.
but I'll take you through the recording process.
Of course.
Because what happens is कि हम सब ने ज़्यादातर बॉलीवुड के गाने सुने हैं.
Correct.
अब जब आप बॉलीवुड के गाने सुनते हो, you know that you're doing playback singing, right? आपका एक एक्टर आपके वो गाने को लिप सिंक करेंगे. वो मैंने किया. I've done web series, I've done jingles, I've done sung for films, I've done my thing.
Correct.
I didn't know what is this independent music. Like I said, मेरे वो एक इंडिया गा के मेरे में कुछ तो भूख लग ली, क्योंकि I was facing the camera and they were all looking at me. So I was like, what is this, man? Can I become the actress of my own song? I gotta know this. So I had the privilege, like I said, to sing Sir's composition.
Yeah.
So Aaja Meri Baahon Mein was my first song, जिसका वो music video बना. अब I have gotten to a set. I didn't even know what was a set. सिर्फ सुना था film set
shit.
and music sets and set. And you are the heroine. Everybody, hair and makeup is touching you again and again, doing your touch up. And okay, Kavya, more sensuality, and the director saying, Kavya, sensuality, again. So I was like the small kid, जिसको एक a new environment में डाल दिया, and I have to adapt. So it was a fantastic experience. It was of experience filled with learning. The recording and the shooting process, everything was just completely a learning experience.
Would you want to do it again?
I want to do it all my life.
Oh, perfect.
I fell in love with facing the camera. Then when I used to go back and see my shots, I was like, is that me? Yeah. So.
Right. So Kavya, you've sang for a lot of shows, a lot of jingles, a lot of gigs, etc. And you recently also started off with your independent songs.
Right.
So can you let us know a few differences that you've seen, or which one would you like to do, like continue doing in the sector?
Right. I don't have a preference. I'd love to do both because I want to, like I said, I just want to keep singing. It could be anywhere, and anyhow. But the main difference I felt was that when you sing for a particular movie or a jingle or what, you get a script. Or the director or the music director say कि ये scene है, ऐसा हो रहा है. So it becomes a little easy to emote. Because मुझे पता है कि मैं किस situation में गा रही हूँ. आप एक independent गाना, a singer-songwriter, they write their own songs. So maybe they're imagining it. Or like me, I have not written those songs. So I'm actually singing on a clean slate. ये मेरा गाना है. I need to feel it. I need to express it. And I need to express it and internalize it so much that जब बाहर निकलता है, it translates that way that the person feels कि wow, ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ था. For an example, short example I'll give you quickly was in the song called बहक गई मैं, in my album. मुझे वर्ड्स सर का एक गाना था, ये मेरा, it's one of my closest songs. It's a very 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 tough song to sing. जितना आसान सुनने में लगता है उतना ही डिफिकल्ट गाने में था. तो वो गाना ये था कि एक लड़की है, वो बहक गई है. She falls in love with the guy and the guy, like a player, but she's only left with his smell, his essence and his spirit around her. तो मैंने तो शायद से मेरी जिंदगी में वो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है. मैं उसको एक इंडिपेंडेंटली, क्योंकि मेरे पास क्योंकि वो सीन में कोई नहीं है, जब तक मैं म्यूजिक वीडियो नहीं बनाऊंगी वो लोग तो गाना सुनेंगे. And I tell you this, there were girls who heard just the audio because उसका वीडियो नहीं निकला था. I had messages saying कि दीदी आपने वो गाना गाया, मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, ये मेरे साथ हुआ है. So I felt the power of independent music. You don't need a movie, you don't need a script, you don't need a scene in that sense anymore. It's emotion and music talks. Good music and melody will always speak. And I think I learned that out of my journey with just 3 songs in independent music. Yeah.
So Kavya, why don't you make us feel what your fans have already felt?
So you're like enticing me to sing a song, right? That's what you really want me to do. That's why you've called me here to sing a song. Fine. So I'm gonna sing. I get paid a lot to do that, but you're my friend, I'm gonna still do it. Just joking. Okay, so I'm gonna sing one of my independent songs only, but that's a romantic ballad. It's called Teri Meri Zindagi. It is a duet with Mr. Leslie Lewis. So that's few lines of that song. तेरी मेरी जिंदगी का कैसा ये फसाना जवां, जानू ना मैं जाने ना तू हमें जाना कहाँ.
Music talks.
Thank
It
you.
really does.
Thank you so much.
Amazing voice. Now that
Thank
I have
you.
a lot of knowledge
Thank you.
on that.
Thank you.
सुनकर बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you.
So, Kavya, thank you very much for your voice, for all the things that you've told us. And now I would want to do a few fun activities, some entertaining stuff for you, for our audience as well. So, tell me if you're ready for it.
But are there games?
Kind of games, but
Am I winning something?
yeah,
Oh, then I'm in.
perfect. Right.
Because I want to win something.
Perfect. I'm pretty sure you love it. Yeah, so you ready?
Done. Yes, ready.
Perfect. Starting off, I'm going to tell you something. You just have to repeat it after.
Okay.
Simple enough?
Simple.
Sounds simple?
Sounds simple.
It's not that simple. So the first thing is, you have to repeat this 4 times,
Okay.
back to back.
Okay.
Mat has mat, mat fas mat.
Mat has mat fuss mat. Mat
Okay.
has. Okay.
Ready?
One more time, please.
Mat has mat fas mat.
Mat has mat fuss mat. Mat has mat fuss mat. Mat has mat fuss mat. Mat has mat fuss mat.
Oh shit. Nice.
I told you.
Okay,
I can try. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
gonna give you
Okay.
a hard one.
Okay.
4 times again.
Okay.
जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा. Okay. One more time.
जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा, जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा. जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा,
हाँ,
जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
correct.
जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा, जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा, जो हंसेगा जो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा.
अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
I made it a song.
Exactly, देख मैंने rhyme भी
I'm
करा.
telling you, you're grooving. वाह,
Yeah.
वाह. खून में है, मैं बोला ना.
अच्छा, one last.
Please, this is tough, huh?
This one is right. And you'll enjoy it.
डाली डाली पे नजर डाली, किसी ने अच्छी डाली, किसी ने बुरी डाली. जिस डाली पे मैंने नजर डाली, वही डाली किसी ने तोड़ डाली.
I'm out.
एक attempt करते हैं.
Tell again. Slowly.
डाली डाली पे नजर डाली,
हाँ,
किसी ने अच्छी डाली,
हाँ,
किसी ने बुरी डाली.
हाँ.
जिस डाली पे मैंने नजर डाली, वो डाली किसी ने तोड़ डाली.
डाली डाली पे नजर डाली, जिसने डाली नहीं, डाली डाली पे नजर डाली, जो डाली
नहीं, किसी ने
किसी ने अच्छी डाली, किसी ने बुरी डाली, जिसने डाली उसे तोड़ डाली.
नहीं, जिस डाली पे
मैंने नजर डाली.
ले.
गिफ्ट तो भी दे देना.
हाँ, डन, चलो ठीक है. ये गिफ्ट दूंगा मैं.
ये अनफेयर है यार, ये तो बहुत टफ है. वो कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ टाइप है.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
कुछ और बोलना.
अच्छा, now let's do one thing. Let's change the game. ये गेम में आप, if you be honest, it's very simple.
ठीक.
If you be honest, you'll get the gift.
ठीक.
If you be dishonest, you won't get it.
Okay.
Works?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna play a very common and very fun game. Never have I ever. I'm gonna ask you 5 simple questions,
Okay.
and I want you to be as honest as possible.
Okay.
So just I never have. I have. Right. So the first question is, never have I ever eaten someone else's lunch from the office tiffin.
I don't go to office.
Like anyone at your workstation, किसी और का lunch. Just for the camera.
I have.
Okay. Never have I ever skipped riyas or practice just to chill.
Oh my god, I've done that all the time. I'm so guilty about it.
Never have I ever forgotten lyrics on stage
Every time.
and the audience didn't
Every
realize
time,
it.
guys. Every time.
And the audience never realized it.
No, they don't. I'm smart.
Never have I ever purchased fake followers on any social media.
No, I have never. Nope. No bots on my platform, bro. Everything organic.
Never have I ever read my partner's text
Huh?
messages. Gumala. Ah. Okay. Thank you very, very much, Kavya. It was really, really amazing to have this conversation with you.
Thank
The
you.
whole discussion was very insightful. It was very, very entertaining, and we've got to know a lot of things from you. And I hope audience loves it and learns a lot from you. And tell us how did
Thank
feel?
you so much, Shoril Talkies. This was just such an amazing experience. Thank you, Tirthank, for asking me such amazing questions. I've had so much fun with you and with the audience here who's gonna watch this also. I hope they get inspired, have fun, laugh with us. I think that was the only motive. And yeah, keep listening to me, keep enjoying my music.
Sure.
That's
Thank you
gonna
so
be
much.
me, and that's all about me.
We have a small token of appreciation for you. So,
Amazing. My gift.
Yeah, this is your gift. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
We're very glad you came here.
Thank you.
Have a great day and all the best for all the future work that
Thank
you
you.
do.
It
We're
was a
really
pleasure.
excited to see
It
you
was a
everywhere.
pleasure. Thank you so much.
Was
Thank
that-
you.